Hello. For this tutorial, we're going to show you how to assign employees to an automatic lunch deduction. So we're going to go up and hold our mouse over Configuration, down to Rule Setup, and over and down to Auto Lunch. I've already got two auto lunches created in here. And you can see we have the Assign Employees for both. So for our retail, I would select Assign Employees. And I see it's blank here. There's no employees assigned. I can click View Assigned and still see no employees. So I want my employees to come up. So I click Filter. And this brings up all of the employees in the company. Now, if I didn't want to see all of them, then I can come over to my level and maybe choose Department and come down and select a specific department and then click Filter. And we can see I've got one person in Department 10, nobody in Department 42. Let's see if we got anybody in 57. We've got all these people in Department 57. I can assign them all at once by just clicking the top box. And if maybe I needed to take someone out, I could just uncheck from here. Once I have them all assigned, I would click Confirm. Are you sure you want Save Changes done? And we click OK. Employees assigned successfully. Now if we come up here to a different lunch, this is a minimum time, so they got to be out at least 260 minutes working before the 30-minute lunch is done, whereas this one's a 7-hour. But maybe we have different employees, or one of the employees from 57 I want to assign. I can see James is already assigned to this policy. Again, I could come in and use Department, go down to my 57 and click Filter. Now, if I select Heather and click Confirm and click OK, Heather is going to be taken off of this one that we just assigned her to. You'll see she's no longer here. And she'll be assigned to this one that we just finished. So an employee cannot be set to multiple policies. That's all there is to assigning employees to an automatic lunch deduction. Thank you for watching.